1 Mamelodi Sundowns, 1 Orlando Pirates. Sanibona bafethu uvandile. So ngizokhuluma ngegame namhlanje ade siyibuka namhlanje. Okuyi game ade imnandi indlela eyisimanga. Ibibaleke kakhulu le game le kulama team uma2. Igame iphele ngo-1-1 ama team u2 ashare amaphuzu. Njengoba nje beshare amaphuzu ngizokhuluma nje indlela edlala ngakhona Orlando Pirates. Indlela ebadlala ngakhona, indlela abayi-approach ngakhona le game le. So nyazi bafethu ngikuthanda uqala nge-approach, indlela ucoach Abdulsalam Wadu approach ngakhona le game le. Before i-game I spoke about i-lineup ye-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates indlela i-lineup engakhona. Judging by the lineup, for me ucoach ube nesibindi kakhulu ukuthi aqale ngalabajida lapha. Ube nesibindi kakhulu and leso sibindi sakhe sicishe samluzisa kwigame namhlanje. Sicishe samluzisa leso sibindi sakhe. Igame namhlanje for me as an Orlando Pirates fan, it doesn't feel like the 1 point. Yes, 1 point so tata against the Sundowns, but it feels like we lost this match. It feels like we lost this match judging by the opportunities esibe nawo kule game. Orlando Pirates ibe namathuba amaningi. For me I think u5-1 la. U5-1 la besophuma nawo. Orlando Pirates ibe namathuba amaningi kule game namhlanje. But again, the overall performance by the boys abajida bangidlalele kamnandi namhlanje. So ngizozama ukukhuluma ngamdlali ngibheke ukuthi kahle kahle yini ayenzile, yini engekho right, yini amela alungise kuyona. Yabo, ungangitshela ke nawe ma comments how did you feel about this game? First and foremost, the defense yethu ihlezi solid. Defense yethu ihlezi solid. Simbonile uSipho Chain uzamile bafethu kuleli goal lokuqala eMamelodi Sundowns, but ke nibonile ke i-rebound ayitholile uPeter Shalulile wakora. Yabo, I don't think kumele sikhulume kakhulu ngalela goal. Bengekho ama mistakes abe khona kulela goal. Balikorile nje, it was a fair and square goal ekore eMamelodi Sundowns. We don't need to yabo criticize izinto eziningi lapho. Yabo, into mina engizoyicriticize kakhulu indlela ebedlala ngakhona esiswini. Yabo, credit to the coach. Ucoach umnikezile umfana omncane ithuba. Yes, umnikezile umfana omncane ithuba. It is a great thing to see umfana omncane onjengo Dansini playing against the Mamelodi Sundowns, starting against the Mamelodi Sundowns in a game like this. But you have to point out, we have to see indlela adlala ngakhona. The boy didn't play well. But igol alikorile. Igol alikorile umfana omncane. Umfana omncane bafethu, for me I think umjeli besasha ushawa uvalo namhlanje. Ushawa uvalo last game udlale kahle kakhulu, but namhlanje I think ushawa uvalo. Yabo, iloko naloko. Yabo, kube le game le sikwazelo simhlambe siqalise, let's say umbatha. Abantu abaningi vele I know kunaleyo cult leyo esisayida no coach right now. It's why kumele kuqale abadlalini bathandayo. We have to be honest with ourselves. If we started a player like uTalente Mbatha today, maybe you would have seen it different in the midfield. Mamelodi Sundowns were bossing the midfield. Iqiniso libe lihle. Kodwa ke credit to the young boy umjida ushaye igoli elihle umjida namhlanje. Look at the reaction yaSipho Mbule. Look at the reaction yaSipho Mbule. Hey bu, bengiqala ukubona nje. Ngiyalikhumbula elibitho kuleya derby leya. Ngiyalikhumbula elambukazi, ngiyalikhumbula elamoremi. Orlando Pirates angazi kwenzakalani mfethu, abafethu bonke bashaya amagoli amahle kule season. Konzakalani? But ngibuyele kumathuba esibe nawo bafethu. Ngiyakhala ngoDeon Hart, angazi kwenzakalani ngoDeon Hart. I don't know, maybe mhlawumbe mina, maybe mhlawumbe kuzothiwa umuntu ngiyamzonda. I don't hate my players. I love all my players. But we have to be honest about Deon Hart. What is going on with Deon Hart? Guys, what is going on with Deon Hart? What was that? Kuningi engikubone namhlanje. Deon Hart uyi-right wing back. Yini umsebenzi we-right wing back? Ukufaka ama-cross eboxini. There was an instant lapho kukhona lo mjida lo uMoremi masekuba osuna police. Lapho khona bekumele adlale ibhola phansi. Wakhethani wakushaya ibhola. Hayibo, washaya ibhola phezulu isidingo singekho. Yabo, besingekho lesa sidingo, bekumele adlale ibhola phansi. Kube simple. Kukhona futhi naleli thuba leli engilibonile labani laSiyema. uSiyema ke namhlanje udlale kahle kakhulu. Uzoyithola nje iman of the match. Umjida udlale kahle kakhulu namhlanje. Kunaleli thuba kodwa alitholile second half. Lapho khona esisuka kwi half yakhe eziyale. Lapho kumele adlale ibhola kuMoremi, ashaye inqa kuMoremi, umjida ukhetha yena ukuyishuthela. Maningi amathuba esiwamoshile kule game. Maningi ngempela amathuba esiwamoshile, kodwa abajida bawutholile 1 point. For me, this feels like a loss. ngisasho namanje kufila as loss. I don't know. Like I'm happy with the point but it feels like a loss. I don't know. Hey, another player ongidlalele kamnandi namhlanje Sihle Nduli bafethu lo mjida mfethu. I don't know. Akatholi ibhande la captain or something. Like kuningi akwenzile namhlanje, like usacrifice ngubuyena bakhe. Like he loves he's loved this team. He fights for the badge. You see the badge, he fights for the badge. This is bigger than anything. This is bigger than life. This is bigger than life itself. All I can say is I feel like ucoach uyiyekele phansi le game le, uyibukele phansi. Orlando Pirates kube eqinisile la. Kabe Sundowns siyibulalile. This is the worst Mamelodi Sundowns side I've ever seen in the last 5 years. This was the worst of the worst. Last season we managed to beat them kwi-league. Yeah, but we managed to beat them kwi-league, but this was one of the worst performances I've ever seen ku Mamelodi Sundowns. You saw the player uSantos. I don't even know that player. Abantu abaningi bebengitsho ukuthi uSantos uyadlala. I didn't see uSantos namhlanje. Ubani uSantos namanje angakamazi. Awungikhombisa isithombe sakhe kuma comments. I don't know that player. Maybe ngikhombiseni isithombe sakhe. Mina I didn't see him play today. Maybe he was on the stands. iSundowns ayimfakanga. But akadlalanga namhlanje uSantos. Ubani uSantos bakwethu? Ngabe lo mdlali lo wathengela ukuthi azo replace uRibeiro. Uyena mdlali lo, because the only player I saw today playing for Mamelodi Sundowns who was really good, I saw Lumchida lo Mudau, I saw Tashik Matthews today. Shockingly, he was good. Shockingly, I didn't expect him to play indlela adlale ngakhona, but umjida namhlanje udlalile. I saw some kasi flavor first half lapha. Le game libe imnandi first half. Second half ivele yadropa nje. Second half. I was happy to see uKwayiba Sinoxolo Kwayiba getting few minutes for Orlando Pirates bafethu. I don't know, I feel like ukhishwa kaMakgopa igame kuyenze yavela ashona phansi kakhulu. uMakgopa ubeyihlupha ngempela iSundowns. Ubeyihlupha ngempela eMamelodi Sundowns, and I don't know why coach emkhiphe ngo60. Angazi ngempela because ungenile uMbuthuma, ngimbonala ngoMbuthuma yabo enza izinto ade zenziwe uMakgopa. Mbuthuma phela akawatholanga ama-touches amaningi, uMakgopa awatholile. Mbuthuma is a great player but ungifaka ngalesa sikhathi I think it feels like ubungifaka in the deep end. Yabo same as lento oqalisa uDansini, I feel like ucoach ube sacrifice intwana kuba intwana ayilikoraga leli goal namhlanje. Intwana ngempela ibingeke ngibengeke kuze kube mnandi ku fan base, bengeke kuze kube mnandi because bese uxake phela ukuthi why are you doing this way young boy. Bekhona abadlali abadala bebengakwazi ukuthi baqale ukube nje ngempela lela goal asilitholanga. Yabo but you can tell me about the game in my comments. Mina I'm happy with the point. It's happening now, but it feels like a loss. We should have won this game. See Pezul Buffett to say we're number 2 at least. Right now, Mamelodi Sundowns, they are leading on the log, even though abadlali kahle but ba lead la Pezul. Yabo.